It's a big celebration. And here's a couple of dishes that'll make your barbecue a right royal occasion. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. And yes, very soon we'll be celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. 70 years on the throne. With street parties, garden parties and barbecues planned, here are a couple of recipes just right for the big day. This one I did last year. It's my Coronation Chicken burger, inspired by the dish Coronation Chicken, created for the Queen's coronation in 1953 by Constance Spry and Rosemary Hulme. This chicken burger is made with dried fruit and curry spices, served with a mixed leaf salad and laced with a mild curry mayo on the bun. Check out the complete recipe on this channel. And for my grand finale, here's a show-stopping dessert that no one, but no one, has just one portion. Cherries Jubilee, created by Auguste Escoffier as a tribute to Queen Victoria on her Diamond Jubilee in 1897. Well, this recipe is definitely not the original, but I promise you, you will not believe that something so simple tastes so good. I can't really call this cooking, but come on, here we go. First, 200 grams, half a bag of frozen cherries. Well, they weren't around in Queen Victoria's day. Empty them into a suitable pan. Followed by 25 grams of caster sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Place the pan on a low heat, about 150 degrees C. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally until the cherries are hot in a pool of deep red juice, which you can thicken with corn flour if desired. Now turn off the gas and pour in 2 tablespoons of liqueur. I'm using Kirsch, and set light to it. Now you'll have to believe me, it is a light. Even with the camera set to darken the image, you can hardly see the flames, but they are there. I'm serving these cherries with vanilla ice cream. It's that combination of hot and cold, with this lovely warm, boozy, dark red velvety juice. That's what I call delicious. If this video has given you inspiration, then why don't you sub my channel? All you have to do is click the button at the bottom of the screen, activate and ding the bell, and if you enjoyed the video, then give us a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. I'll say it once more. You will not believe how something so tasty is so simple to make. Just let me know what you think. So from me the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food. It's goodbye and thanks for watching.